Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Halor ka jing yakhi bat ki nongnya truck hapo kashatri jong ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association ha ka santrik unai wing arhaja apusan. Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills District uba Vivek Siem ulai thu baki pulit kilakyam ya Ngut ki Nongïalam bat lapen ngat ha ka sautuli ki case persha yaki. Habayakran makila apathai kubor haga sining kong jong katayo uba Vivek uloong baka jingkem ya kite ki Nongïalam kadai namar baki Donkti ban Shoh ban Rahbor ya ki driver truck ki bakit mar na East Jaintia bad yadling ba ka East Jaintia Hills District kumban chupin kan mau ba min ha ka step jong ka santrik unai wing araja apusan ki dikhot jong ka Mctoda klay ki bad kalami ru ka jingklumar ka bajur bha ha ka baki pulit ki hap ban pendon kam da ki tiar pensat khmat ban tem ya ka jingklumar uba Vivek ulayat ho ba ka don ka jingsha ther mau ka bajur ya ki truck
junction. 4 people were arrested and initially 3 cases were registered against them. Subsequently on Thursday there was also an escort of cement and clinker trucks from West Jaintia Hills, from East Jaintia Hills via West Jaintia Hills, and there was a lot of stone pelting and damage to our vehicles, for which a 4th case was registered. So we have a total of 4 cases, and bail has been moved today. That will be in the discretion of the court whether the court will grant bail. We'll take it from there.
How do you have to?
The crowd out there were actually informed by the magistrate on duty to not obstruct the trucks, the movement of trucks and all that, and they were properly informed, clearly informed not to obstruct. However, after the trucks came also and we escorted them, there was huge pelting of stones, there was assault, and there was a person also abducted, and what happened was there was mayhem and violence out there, and for which police had to resort to mild lathi charge. It is not that there was we flouted any norms, and also that we had there was excesses from the police. It was very minimal, and we were very restrained. No, there's no pressure as such for them. There's no pressure to release them. In fact, bail is it's within the hands of the judiciary. So the leaders, they were the people who are right in front in that agitation, and when all these crimes were committed out there, I mean, they were the people at the forefront.
So law,
Yes,
as far as law
will take its own course.